Hi, it's Pia's Tarot. Hello, Pisces placement. So, general and love reading. The person on your mind. Okay, so, yeah. For the rest of August. Okay, so, again, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms, okay? So, yes, we do have evil eye protection dito sa Pia's Tarot. Okay? So, meron tayong 4. Okay, so dalawang sample ng bracelet, isang adjustable and isang garterized. So, ganyan po sila. Okay? So, itong adjustable is available in red string. Okay? And syempre po, pwede pong ipa-customize. Palagyan ng initial po. Okay? Na magmamayari. And kung ayaw nyo naman palagyan, just say so. Okay? So, yung atin namang evil eye bracelet na garterized. So, ganyan siya. And yung kanyang pendant is ganito po. Okay? So, yung ating ring naman is adjustable naman. Okay? And yung atin rin pong yan, necklace. So, lahat po ito is ang tawag dito? Unisex. Okay? So, yan po sila, ha? So, kung meron kayong something na nasabi na purchase ninyo sa Pia's Tarot at hindi nyo nakikita dito sa apat na to, na evil eye protection, hindi po sa amin galing. Okay? Pwedeng doon sa nanggagaya sa amin. Meaning to say, scam. I'm sorry. Okay? So, yun po, ha? And again, ito ang hindi nyo mapopurchase sa mga scammer. Itong tatlo, ang hindi nyo mapopurchase talaga. Okay? So, our 2-in-1 love and money. Okay. 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Okay. So, with money magnet. Okay. So, ang ibibigay sa'yo is mataas na sales if ever, more customers, mga ganyan pong bagay. Okay, sabi nga money magnet, kung ano man yung pinagkakakitaan mo, well, di ba? Madadagdagan at madadagdagan pa. Kung lalaki ka, gusto mo na ito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Ang ganda nito, pag lalo nakasuot. Okay, ganyan siya. Okay, so, para siyang nang ba magnet, I don't know. Anyway, so, yeah, yun po, no. And again, samahan nyo po ng evil eye protection. Kahit anong evil eye protection. And ito pong ating granter necklace. So, si granter yung taga-grant po ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay? Anything legal, visa, kung ano-ano man na medyo mabigat-bigat na. So, yan, pinapag-grant kay granter. And syempre, aside doon, there's this twice per week na surprise na pwedeng manggaling kay granter. Okay, so small man, malaki man. So, yun po, ha? And, yeah, si granter po is made to order, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and unisex. So, last, yung ating charm pagdating sa pangtaboy ng alat. Pangtaboy ng MALAS. Ganto. Kapag ramdam nyo, kapag meron kayo nito, ha, kapag ramdam nyo medyo tumatagilid na naman, masimasin nyo lang. Ha? Okay, masimasin nyo lang yung inyong mga cord cut. Ha? Baka kasi nalilimot-limutan nyo na. Mga ganyang bagay. Nakasuot nga pero nalilimutan nyo sila. Mga ganon. Yung parang, ay, teka, parang nalilimutan ako ng amo ko, Parang mga ganong bagay. Okay? Nagpapapansin. Mga ganong bagay ba? Anyway, so, yun po, ha? Technique. Technique. And again, yung ating pang-cleanse. Okay. So, cleansing. Walang araw. Wala pong araw pagdating sa akin. Kapag feeling nyo, kailangan nyong i-cleanse yung inyong mga charms at kung anumang kristal, gawin nyo. Okay? Kayo makakaramdam yan. So, sabihin nating nahawakan, napansin ng iba. Kung ano man yung bawal sa charm ninyo, kasi pwedeng hindi galing sa akin. Kung ano man ang bawal sa charm ninyo at nangyari, i-cleanse nyo. So, next, kung nakapag-grant ng kung ano galing dun sa charm at alam nyong galing sa charm, hiningi nyo, so yun po, mag-cleanse and mag-recharge gamit ang white sage and selenite. Okay, so yeah. So, let's start the reading, Pisces. So, what's for you in general for the rest of August? Anong meron sa ating mga Pisces? Sa mga Pisces. Okay, the Ace of Wands in reversed. The Star in reversed. Why? Oh my. May kaunting delay. Okay, may kaunting delay. Ooh, is this talking about money? May kaunting delay po ha. Pagdating sa pamemera. Pero kung ano man to, sabihin nating times 10. Okay, kung may delay sa ngayon, like sabihin natin ba yan ang ganit? Parang ganon. Sa susunod, nandyan na, sabihin natin times 10. Ang dagsa. Okay? Times 10 ang babalik, times 10 ang flow sa'yo. Okay? Claim it. Babasagin natin to. Okay, so what else? Okay, ano ba to? The Five of Swords in reversed. And the Two of Pentacles in reversed. Some of you, there could be sabihin nating SEX na pwedeng mangyari with the Aquarius, with an Aquarius or with a fire sign. Anyway, so there's this, sabihin nating energy na may mafi-fix kung ano man, pwedeng sa pera or anything na kailangan ma-fix. Nakailang shuffle na ako, nakita ko to. Si Three of Cups. This is energy of success, energy of victory. Okay? So, that's nice. So, the Ten of Cups. This is happiness. So, maganda yung energy na pinapakita sa'yo for the rest of August, no? Pisces. So, you don't need to worry sa kung ano man yung parang nade-delay, if ever. Okay? So, what else for our Pisces placements? Again, the Ten of Cups. Happiness. Okay, andyan yung mag-enjoy ka, occasion, some of you, that's an occasion, completion if ever, parang overflowing. Okay, so sabi ko nga, 10 times fold. Okay, what's with that? 10 of Cups. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. So kung ano man po yung mga sa tingin yung hindi pa dumadating. Okay. So yan. The Ten of Cups is there. Medyo yun nga, may kabagalan nga lang ng kaunti, pero sa tingin ko mafi-fix rin naman, matatanggal yung bara. Okay, pag natanggal yung bara, 'di ba? Pag may bara na naiipon, pag natanggal yung bara, so yun, mas madami. No, mas madami yung papasok or mas madami yung dadaloy. Mga ganung bagay. Okay? So ganun yung na-feature kong energy. May kaunti lang na bara. Ano bang bara to? Tingnan natin. Anong bara to? Anong nagsisilbing bara? Or sino? Oh, the Lovers in reverse. I don't know. Some of you, you're in a bad connection right now. Na kailangan yung alisan. Okay? Or maybe you're still stuck sa isang connection na nag-end. Na kailangan mo nang i-heal. Yeah. The Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Parang hindi mo wino-workout eh. Yung kailangan i-workout dito. So, kailangan po talaga mag-exert ng effort. Kung ano man po yung sa tingin ninyong kailangan. Pag-exertan. Hindi yung, okay, sige, sabi ni Madam ano eh. Hayaan ko lang to. No. Kailangan yung tulungan. Okay, si Universe. Okay? Kasi pwedeng, sa kanya nang gagaling. Kung ano man yung dapat nasa'yo. Pero, ikaw ang gumagawa sa frequency mo. Okay? So, masyadong lalalim. Masyadong lalalim. So, tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind. The person on your mind, Pisces. Who is this? So, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, madalian lang na energy checkings. The person on your mind, Pisces. Who is this? The Knight of Cups in reverse. Could be a water sign. Some of them, they're too moody. Hot, cold. Mga ganyang bagay. Knight of Cups in reverse. The Empress. Gusto rin na somebody na pwedeng beautiful. Okay, Pisces. I'm hearing Age Cup here. Age Cup. The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Codependent. I'm hearing codependency here. You see progress. You want progress. You want improvement with this person. Okay, so I think merong mga kailangan i-grow itong taong to. Okay. Yeah, the Lovers in reversed. The Three of Swords in reversed. Ano bang meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman, Pisces? The Hanged Man. So, para kayong nanguhula dito. Nanguhula lang nga ako eh. Nanguhula pa kayo. So, it's like basta anong mangyari. I'm hearing going with the flow. Going with the flow. Sa kung anong pwede. Sa kung anong mangyayari. Yeah, again, the Lovers in reversed. The Devil. The Three of Wands in reversed. Going with the flow. Paano mangyayari yung going with the flow na sinasabi? Kung hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng parang same frequency nitong person. Kung nakikipag-go with the flow kayo sa isa't isa, hindi ko nakikita rito na isa or sabihin nating aligned, no, yung inyong energy. Medyo malabo to, Pisces. Yeah. Gusto nyo ng progress at improvement dito, pero some of them, they're too immature. So let's see, what is their emotion? Yeah, the Page of Wands, see? They're young, mature. The Four of Swords in reversed. Nandun yung parang lagi na lang nilang gusto ng pansin. Okay? Some of you, I'm getting this energy. Ito, ibang energy. Itong taong to, pwedeng hindi niya kaya mag-focus sa'yo because of another person. Okay? Because of another person. Hindi niya magawa mag-focus. That is why hindi sila ganun ka-available enough sa connection. Some of you, they are waiting pagdating sa label or unsure pagdating sa label. Waiting for the label na maibigay. Meron ditong parang yung energy is like craving, aching, longing. Yung energy ng taong to, I don't know who's who, pwedeng ikaw sa taong to. Or pwedeng siya. The energy is so low. Okay? Ang low ng energy. Kasi yung Empress, sabihin nating kinakailangan or nangangailangan or parang na lang laging, alam namin na available itong Empress, so kailangan maging available ka. Parang ganun. Alam nung isa na available ka. Yung Chariot. So, hindi talaga magkakaroon ng energy ng pagkakaintindihan dito. Page of Wands in reversed. The Chariot. Oh my gosh. Para kayong yun nga, para kayo nasa crossroads. Ang gusto niya sa kaliwa, ikaw gusto mo sa kanan. Pero, ang intention is, makapunta doon sa isa na gusto nyo. Doon sa pupuntahan. Pero ang gusto niya, daan ni kaliwa, ikaw naman kanan. Parang ganun yung energy. My gosh. Tingnan natin anong action niya. The Hermit. The Sun. Next action, mawala, lumubog, lumitaw. Okay, lumubog, lumitaw. So, yeah, hot and cold. Tumalikod, and then maya-maya andyan. Tumalikod, andyan. Para siyang fluctuating. Energy ng absent, present, absent, present, absent, present. Ay, oh my gosh. So, tingnan natin, ano ba ang potential outcome ng connection? Yeah, the Tower in reversed. So, unexpected. Kung ano man. Unexpected. The Wheel of Fortune. The Eight of Wands. The Six of Pentacles in reversed. This is one-sided, I think. This is one-sided. Yeah. Yeah, one-sided. Nandyan rin yung energy ng, ang tawag dito, codependency. Okay, so every time na may codependent, meaning to say, yun nga, nakadepende dun sa isa. So, meaning, yeah, andun yung imbalance pagdating sa connection. Okay? So, medyo sablay. Medyo hindi okay. Para kayong nagsisiso ng taong to. So, ganun yung nakikita kong outcome. Yeah. Wala yung kulang dito is yung direction. Kulang dito direction, kulang dito is yung same intention. Yeah, the King of Swords in reverse. Page of Swords in reverse. Hindi pa nakikita nung isa kung ano talaga. I don't know, somebody's sleeping. Sleeping dito sa connection na ito. This is a strong connection though. Hindi magiging strong connection to kung sabihin nating kasi andun yung Empress, may Empress dito, may Lovers dito, merong Tower, merong Wheel of Fortune dito, may Sun, ang daming energy ng Major Arcana. I think this is a strong connection. Yun nga lang, yung isa sa inyo tulog dito sa connection. Yung isa ang gising. Meaning to say, kung sino yung gising, siya yung parang magpupush lang na magpupush dito. And yung tulog, siya yung parang aasa lang ng aasa dun sa nagpupush. Or sabihin natin, talagang pahampas-hampas yung energy nung tulog. Okay? Kung saan lang siya mapunta. Pero, parang parang yung isang gising, siya yung mag-redirect or siya yung magsasabi kung saan pupunta, kung saan tutungo, mga ganyang bagay. Yun nga, hindi ka maiintindihan ng isa kasi nga tulog. Sana nagigets nyo? No, medyo malalim yung energy. Kaya medyo pina-picture ko na lang sa inyo kung anong meron. Ganon yung energy ninyo. So, it's a challenge. Okay, it's a challenge. Challenge na magising yung isa. Meaning to say, makita niya talaga kung anong meron sa connection. Kung gaano ka-importante to. Okay, kung gaano ka-strong. Some of you, this is, sabihin nating, this is your, sabihin nating energy ng the divine feminine and the divine masculine. Energy ng mga parang may past, energies kayo, past life connection, mga ganyang bagay. This is so deep, no? Hindi ko, kung ito is private, pwedeng sabihin ko pa lahat-lahat, pero yeah, this is not. This is not. Okay, so pwede pa natin bungkalin ng bungkalin kung maaari, kaso hindi, kasi this is not private. Anyway, so tayo tumungo na sa all signs. For you, Pisces. So, Aries through Pisces. So, what's for you? So, Aries, okay, the Empress again. So, they want improvement here. They want progress. Taurus, they're thinking about you right now. Some of them, they want to rest. Okay? Gemini, unavailable emotionally. Cancer, no good cooperation. Or lack of cooperation with a Cancerian. Leo, they're being impatient. Virgo, they're expecting something. They're waiting for you. Libra, they want actions. Okay, they want actions. Scorpio, they need you. Some of you, there's this codependency with a Scorpio. Sagittarius, they're sad. They're longing for you, looking for you, craving. Capricorn, they're not available. Pagdating sa communication, there could be secrets. Okay, something hidden. Aquarius, some of you, there could be infidelity. Some of you, they're mad. They are mad. Pisces, strong connection. The Lovers, a strong connection. They want a connection with you maybe. So, there. Yun ang ating reading for you, Pisces placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And syempre, yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Pakihanap na lang po yung love letter. So again, thank you. Goodbye.